Hi, welcome to Mount Harrison High School's online math. Um, just to give you this video is to introduce you to some procedures, some things that how things are going to look, and get you started on the right step. First off, if you need to contact me, email's one of the best ways, but I do have a Google Voice account that you could leave messages on or text, which is the 208-261-1139 number. During school, I have normal office hours, or I have prep times from 9:40 to 11:15 and from 1:40 to 3:25. But you can try to contact me at any time, and I'll try to respond as quickly as I can. So some of the responsibilities and expectations that you have from the contract that you signed. One, you need to maintain a schedule to complete work in a timely manner. You need to contact me to clarify or ask questions, and you can also work through your homeroom teacher if I'm not responding. Be sure to check and look at your email regularly. We want to complete each week's assignment by Thursday. I'll give you latitude on that. As long as you're not getting a week behind, I think you'll be okay. Normally we'll have 2 assignments per day. Most assignments that we are going to do will either be completed at edulastic.com or will be on Google Slides that you can edit to answer your questions. If a class is large enough, more than 2 people in it, students will be asked to respond to discussion prompts and then comment on other students' responses. Just one thing, be comfortable with taking a little bit of risk. Don't be worried about getting everything right all the time. Mathematics is about learning how to spot errors as much as it is to get everything right. Communication, honesty, and transparency from everybody is important. With this model, you need to take responsibility for your own learning. Ask for help, participate in discussions if we have them. Show your work and follow through with trying, even when you're unsure. The other thing is, I need to remind you that our attendance policy is you need to complete 25% of the material each week to be counted as being in school. If you miss 1 week, you're okay, but if you miss 2 weeks, you're going to be dropped out of the online program, and you won't be able to get back in until second semester. So just keep that in mind. So all of our materials are going to be in Canvas courses. There will be 3 modules for each class. This is for our 1B class. It has 3 modules. Each module will have about 8 assignments, somewhere give or take. Look for our linear math class. Can't remember how it's exactly titled, but the 3 modules are listed there. So I'll go back into the Canvas part to show you how it looks and how everything will work after that. For this course, these courses, I'm using a free ebook called Big Ideas Math. So most likely we're going to be using this book. You don't need to look at it unless you want to for extra help. They do have some other things that are parent guides and things like that that are available for free. I will have the examples and materials from each posted in Canvas so you can see those. But you may want to look at the book just to look at other problems that you might want to practice with or anything else. So when you go to Canvas, this is how things are going to look. The first part right here is going to be the parts from the book that I've cut and pasted and put into Canvas. So you'll have the examples, you'll have the core concepts that we're working on. You'll have worked out examples that might be worked out differently than I do. Then with each part will have a video. Most videos will be less than 10 minutes. There are a couple that might be longer because of the material, and a couple that might be broken up. After that, you will either have 1 or 3 assignments. You do not have to do 3 assignments. If you have 3 assignments listed, you have a choice of which of the 3 you do. You only need to do 1 with each. So in this module, the first 2 assignments are Google Slides. The last one is Edulastic. A lot of assignments will come through Edulastic. So again, simple thing, you'll have dates for when you're due, and everything should work pretty well that way. Be sure to contact me if a video doesn't work or if there's any problem with that, and I can work that out. This video that I'm making now will be in the Get Started portion of the module, but I'm also emailing it to you so that you have it for Monday morning. So if you do one of the Google slide activities, what you'll find is you'll find instructions that tell you what you need to do. So for this slide, students are only asked to do 4 out of 5 of the fact-finding problems. I do need you to show your work. You can either put photographs into this area, or you can do all of your work on one paper and put in an extra slide. That's totally up to you. In Edulastic, I won't be able to see your work, but I'll be able to tell if you're doing it right. And you might want to show me anyway, just to, in case there's any misconceptions, that we could work that out. So these are for you to edit and just submit. I'll send you an Edulastic code in the morning or Monday for your class. You'll need to click on the yellow area up in the right hand corner. It'll bring down a drop down. You need to select as a student. After you select, this screen will come up, and then you need to click on this area, and that will bring this up. You need to enter our class code and then click sign up with Google. So the class code, then sign up with Google. I look forward to working with you, and please feel free to contact at any time if you have questions, problems, comments, or anything else.